welcome to another tutorial. Today we are going to be making this compliments of the season holiday folio. Here are the final pieces. So we got this pocket flap over here that I will cut out the window on that part and add some lace, and the rest of the ephemera tags, as you can see, are available in this kit. Just gone over and added some lace and ribbons, and for this pocket flap I've added the center lace kind of a fabric. And let's start the assembly. So the main panel, this is the main panel. I'm going to add the pocket flap over here so that it becomes the front flap, and this compliments of the season, whatever you see here, that I'm going to add to the right side of the inside of the main panel. So here I've added the pocket flap to the left side, and again I am adding the flap A over here inside the folio. And that's the assembly, very simple. Let's start adding pockets over here. This is the bigger pocket. The larger one, I'm just going to add this in the front so that I can cover up the area where I've glued the pocket flap. To suit the same pocket, I've added another double pocket on top of it. And to cover this area, I am adding this larger pocket, a side pocket over here. Again, I am layering with this tall pocket. And the rest of the pockets, you can see I'm just going to keep adding. So the stitching on the front part, it didn't come as I wished, so I have just added some lace on top of it. And while it is drying, I'm just going to add some eyelets over a few of these tags and add ribbons or thread to tie it out. just going to start adding the labels and a little bit of mesh or fabric to decorate the entire folio. Here is the final reveal of the final folio. The link to this kit is given in the description. You can check it out, and you can get all of these whatever folios that we have been seeing in the YouTube channel and many more other kits in the Christmas bundle 2024. It includes more than 40 kits at a very discounted price, so do check it out. Also, you can follow my Instagram to get discount coupons. Check out other Christmas kits in the shop. I will see you soon. Bye bye.